Hey, in today's vlog, we are diving into advanced debugging and testing technique in Python. So, debugging and testing are essential skill for every developers. So, we should know the debugging, right? To run, so something wrong means we have to find out first. So that's essential skill for a developer. So we'll explore powerful debugging tools like PDB. That is actually one of the powerful debugging tool in Python. We'll explore powerful debug. So that we'll explore PDB and introduce your various testing using PDB. So let's start it. So PDB stands for Python debugger. So it's a one of the biggest library. So we can import here. We have a sample code. First, we are importing that library, the Python debugger PDB, to use debug in its simplest form. So we import her, and here we have basic function that will return that will sum two numbers and returns. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, assign a variable, value 1 to the variable a, and a value 2 to the variable 2. So it will add a plus b and it will return. This is a function we are going here, and we are return this here. So this simple, right? So straightforward function is there. Now using PDB, so for suppose we have to set a breakpoint like exit, we say this is the Python debugger. Using that, we will set a breakpoint. So we can use this syntax pdb dot set trace. So this it will stop here. For that, let's run. So you can see that calculate sum of a plus b and show it into the result. After that, it is stopped. So here we have a lot of keyword, like if you use n means it will go to the next line. I show you here, and see it's taken to the return result. So a plus b is done. Then return result value. Again the next time, then it will go to return result, and it will return back to example function. So again we'll view type and see call the example function to start debugging. This word will reach. Again and means it will end, that we know that. So this is like where we'll set a breakpoint. So that's simple, right? So already we set a breakpoint here. Now we have one more things. So here we have breakpoint. Next is we can check the variables. So we have, so that is another feature. Using p we can use it, stand for print p. Then we have to specify the variable name b. So here we have two variables a and b. C value of b at the point is 2, and we are searching for the value of a, that is 1. Same way, suppose I am changing the variable to b equal to b plus. So again, uh, I'm going to execute that function. So here we have to exit. For exit, we have to type q. Execute. Again, I'm running the script. So the breakpoint is here. We know that. Then here we are going to print again b. See, that is and go to the next backward sum, and again we are going to print b here. See, now it is 4. So same way, whatever the point we have to find out, there we have to add breakpoint using PDB library, Python debugger. So the syntax is set trace, set a breakpoint using PDB. Next is, if you want to check the